Hi friends, I am Sandhya Dimbar and today's video topic is difference between array and collections. So we are discuss about what is array. Array is a very common type of data structure which contain all the data values of the same data type. The data items put in the array are called element. The first element of the array start with zero index. Data inherit the object class and implement the serialization and clonal interface. We primitive data type or object in an array. And then next point is the types of there are two types of array. First is a single dimensional and second is a multi-dimensional. We are discuss about single dimensional array. A single dimensional array of in Java array where the array contains sequential element. For example, array symbol my array is equal to is inside a curly bracket 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 values then semicolon. Next point is a multidimensional array. Multidimensional array is a array of array. To declare a multidimensional array variable, specify the each additional index using another set of square bracket. For example, in 2D, first square bracket, second square bracket is equal to new it in a first square bracket within a value 4 and next square bracket within a value 5. Then next point is what is the collection framework. A collection framework provides a architecture to store and manipulate a group of objects. A collection frameworks include followings. First is the interface, second is the classes, and third is the algorithms. We are learn about them in details. First is the interface. Interface in a Java refers to the abstract type that allows Java collection to be manipulated independently from the details of other represents. Then second point is a classes. Classes in a Java are the implementation of a collection interface. It basically refers to the data structure that are used again and again. Then next point is a algorithm. Algorithm refers to the method which are used to perform operations such as searching and sorting. Then next point is a Java collection hierarchy. Java collection hierarchy divided into three parts. First is a list, second is a queues, and third is a set. We are discuss about in details Java collection list. A list. First is a list. A Java list is a ordered collection of the element which may contain duplicate values. It is include three types. First is a array list. Second is a linked list, and third is a vector. Then next part is a queue. Queue in a Java follows a FIFO approach. FIFO means first in, first out. And then next point is a set. A set refers to the collection that cannot contain duplicate value. It is mainly used the model of the mathematical set abstraction. Set has a implementation in various classes such as a hash set, tree set, and next is a link hash set. Then next point is a difference between array and collection. First key point is a size. So size in array. Array are the fix in a size. That is, once the array with the specific size is declared, then we can't no change. Then collection. A collection is a dynamic in a size that is based on requirement sites could be get collected even after even after the declaration. Next point is a memory. Memory in array due to fast execution consume more memory, and collection is a user dependent is consume less memory. Thank you.